Hi guys, welcome to Discover Zone. Juniper here. Today we're going to be making magnetic slime. The items you'll need is a bowl or a cup to mix it in, 1/2 cup of warm water, iron filings, slime activator, 1/2 cup glue, a spatula, and some fun magnets. To make the slime activator, you'll mix 1 cup of warm water with 1 teaspoon of borax. First, you're going to take your glue and pour it into your bowl. It's a 1/2 cup of glue. Then you're going to pour your 1/2 cup of warm water into your bowl and stir till it's all the same consistency. Now that it's thoroughly mixed, you'll start adding your slime activator in till it stops sticking to the sides of the bowl. Once it stops sticking to the side of your bowl, you'll want to knead it and fold it in half 10 to 30 times. Now time to add your iron filings. Just sprinkle it across your slime and then knead it in. If you need more, you can always add more iron filings. Make sure to get them kneaded in thoroughly. If you liked this, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, if your slime gets too stiff, to add some glycerin. This is a super fun science project and activity to do at home, and everyone loves slime. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and follow us on Instagram. These are the iron filings that we use. They look really weird when they're going towards a magnet. Looks like hair. Iron filings are fun to play with and are great for experiments.